Hello, flavor seekers. If your usual breakfast routine feels a little basic, let's upgrade it with sheet pan sweet potato orange breakfast tacos. Yes, tacos for breakfast, and they're as bright and bold as your best AM playlist. Start with the zing. Juice half a small orange. Save the other half for garnish if you're feeling fancy. Whisk that with a tablespoon of agave, olive oil, smoked paprika, cumin, black pepper, cinnamon, cayenne, and a pinch of salt. It's like a sunrise in marinade form. Next, it's time to call in the flavor squad. Cubed sweet potato, a can of pinto beans, drained and looking fresh, and a chopped Fresno or jalapeno pepper for that "I'm awake now" kick. Toss them all together like it's a veggie party and spread the goodness onto a lined sheet pan. Roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Give it a little stir at halftime so it gets golden and toasty. By the end, your sweet potatoes should be fork tender, and your kitchen will smell so good, your neighbors might casually drop by with empty plates. Want to be a meal prep hero? Chill this mixture for up to 4 days and reheat when needed. Now for the tortilla hack. Quickly run each corn tortilla under water, place them over the roasted goodness, and bake just a few minutes until soft and steamy. Scoop it up, top with avocado, sprinkle with cotija cheese, and add those orange slices if you saved them. The result? A taco that's smoky, sweet, spicy, and citrusy, basically sunshine wrapped in a tortilla.